Here's how I made that really cool little intro stinger for my personal gaming channel using real CRT hardware. So first step is, of course, building the animation that I want to happen within After Effects and exporting that to a video file. Then I have OBS set to loop that video output to a Blackmagic capture card that can actually output to composite video. That outputs to this crazy video matrix, which then lets me output to this video mixer, which I can use for Luma Keying, among other things, and to my CRTs. This one I will point my 8mm camcorder at for the feedback loop. But then over here I have my choice of a wide selection of CRTs based on the screen look that I want. For this, I use the Panasonic GH5S. It has a low pass filter and synchro scan, which means it's gonna fight moire and let me sync up to the refresh rate exactly so you don't get any rolling lines. And then I use a black Pro Mist 1/4 to get a nice little extra glow added on. I will turn off all the lights and get it nice and shrouded and record this in 4K 60 FPS. A little bit of color tweaking and resolve and some cool synth for the sound effects. And you get this.